Beef broth, a powerhouse for health benefits. Source of protein. Beef broth is a source of protein, essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Hydration. Beef broth is primarily composed of water, making it a hydrating beverage that can help maintain fluid balance in the body. Minerals. Beef broth contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, great for bone health, muscle function, and electrolyte balance. Collagen and gelatin. Beef broth is rich in collagen and gelatin, which provide structural support to joints, bones, skin, promote joint health, and reduce the risk of osteoarthritis. Supports digestive health. The gelatin in beef broth helps support digestive health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and improving gut barrier function. Soothes gut. It also helps soothe and repair the lining of the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of leaky gut syndrome and inflammatory bowel diseases. Essential amino acids. Beef broth contains essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein that the body cannot produce on its own. Boosts immune function. Beef broth helps strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. Bone health. The minerals and collagen found in beef broth support bone health and help prevent osteoporosis and bone fractures. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Chef Chili.